Qualitative and quantitative researchers hold different epistemological assumptions. In other words, they think about the nature of knowing and knowledge differently. Quantitative researchers believe, very briefly, that knowledge is independent of context and human qualities and that it can be objectively determined and scientifically, logically, and mathematically verifiable. This is often the case in the natural sciences. But qualitative researchers believe that knowledge is contextual, embedded in human experience, and subjectively constructed, interpreted, and experienced. This is often the case in the social sciences. These assumptions underpin the different methodologies for conducting research, so it's important for researchers to identify the assumptions they espouse when planning their studies.